Do you ever take a photo on your phone and later realize there's a distracting sound that plays whenever you look at the photo? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter there. When live photo is turned on, your phone will capture what happens a second and a half before and after you snap a photo, which could mean an embarrassing 3 seconds of video. First, here's how to take a live photo. Open the camera app, make sure it's set to photo mode on the bottom. Next, in the upper right-hand corner, tap the little round bullseye icon. You'll see a yellow tag appear saying Live in the upper center. When you're looking at photos later, you can open the photo app, tap Albums, scroll way down to Live Photos, tap it and pick any photo. To hear it, hold your finger down on the photo and listen. Some people love this. Some hate live photos because they can catch indiscretions. Here's how to get rid of the recorded sound. Open your Photos app and find the live photo you want to get rid of the sound on. Tap Edit in the upper right-hand corner. Tap the Live Photo button, then tap the Speaker button in the top left to turn off the audio. Then tap Done. More quick tips at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Get it right here at cyberguy.com by clicking that red button.